The Mercedes-Benz factory in Vitoria, Spain, is not the most obvious place for the world premiere of the flagship electric car, but it is here that the serial production of the new luxury electric van VLE on the VAN.EA platform began. This is a crucial moment for the concern. Not Stuttgart, not Sindelfingen, but the Basque Country. The company has been operating since 1954, when it was part of the Auto Union, and only in 1981 it completely came under the control of Daimler-Benz. Over the decades, the plant has become one of the main production sites outside of Germany. The territory covers 870,000 square meters, of which more than two-thirds is devoted to production facilities. About 5,000 people work here, and in connection with the launch of VLE pipeline, a third shift will be added from July 2026 with additional staff. In order to put a completely new electric platform on the conveyor, the plant had to be rebuilt in earnest. Investments in the modernization amounted to about 1 billion euros, of which about 157 million euros were provided by Spanish government subsidies. Two completely new body shops with redesigned logistics have been built. The final assembly line has become flexible in the literal sense. Now, different models with different types of engines, gasoline, diesel, electric, can be assembled on the same conveyor without stopping or reconfiguring. This solves one of the main headaches of the automotive industry when switching to electricity. There is no need to build separate plants for each type of drive. People also had to be taught anew. All 5,000 employees have completed more than 160 advanced training courses, working with high-voltage systems, new IT standards, and other body materials. This is not a formal briefing, but a real retraining for a different class of equipment. The environmental side of the issue is a separate story. The Vitoria plant was granted carbon-neutral status back in 2022, long before the launch of VLE. The company takes energy from renewable sources: wind, solar panels on the roofs of workshops, geothermal heat, as well as heat that is recovered directly from body production. In the fall of 2026, the new paint shop will be fully operational. It will completely abandon fossil fuels and switch exclusively to green electricity. Painting is traditionally one of the most energy-intensive stages of automotive production, so it's not a minor detail. Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.